So, hi guys! Welcome po sa aking YouTube channel. Yes, it's me, Mint IZ. So, who don't know me, I have a first channel, which is Aizan Esperos. So, this is the one. So, what happened is, hindi ko na siya on air, hindi ko na siya ginugol. Kasi, hindi ko rin naman makiklaim yung sahod ko. Yan, kasi nag-address siya sa Singapore. So, I've been working in Singapore for 11.5 years. So, I was thinking, doon na talaga ako mag-stay sa Singapore, hindi na ako mag-change ng environment, but this is what happened. So, yun, my channel, my first channel is still there. Hindi ko siya pwedeng i-delete. So, kasi all my memories, nandoon lahat. So, yung first channel ko, it's all about traveling. Nakilala ako bilang TikToker. And, yun, it's all chilling and happy along with my friends. So, compare sa aking second channel, ayan, so ang aking second channel is Miss IZ. So, this one. So, which is I'm airing now. And yun, so, pag i-compare mo siya sa first channel ko sa ngayon, ito naman, yung second channel ko, makikita nyo dito kung paano ako mag-work dito sa Middle East. So, yes, I am working here in Middle East. So, Middle East. So, ang daming nagtatanong, bakit mo pinagpalit yung Asian to Middle East? So, actually, wala naman akong regret na mag-work dito sa Middle East. Actually, it's more comfortable sa akin ang mag-work dito sa Middle East. Kung saan ako nag-work ngayon, compare sa iba. Yung iba kasi syempre hindi naman tayo pare-pareho, hindi naman tayo swertihan, di ba? Kahit saan ka naman magpunta sa Asia, sa Middle East, sa Europe part, walang madaling trabaho in general. So ayan, so this second channel, it's all about my daily routine dito sa KSA. Makikita nyo kung paano ako mag-work. Minsan na ilalive ko dyan. It's all about my cooking, which is I really love it. Ayan, gusto ko talagang magluto. So, ito na yung chance ko para ma-vlog yung aking mga luto. And, yun, chit-chat sa aking live stream, like 30 minutes, 45 to 1 hour. Ayun, so, yan guys. So, hopefully, bisitahin niyo pang aking channel. And please support if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe. Please subscribe and like po. And bell the notification bell. Thank you and God bless po.